What if I told you that in 5 years, your job might not exist anymore? Not because the company went bankrupt, not because the economy crashed, but because a piece of software running on a server somewhere can now do what you do, faster, cheaper, without sick days, without holidays, without a salary. This is not science fiction. This is happening right now, in real time, across industries that most people assumed were completely safe from automation. And the people most at risk are not the ones in factories or warehouses. They are the people sitting in offices, behind desks, in front of computers, doing the jobs that we were told required human intelligence. Today, we are going to tell you which jobs are most at risk, why it is happening faster than anyone predicted, and, most importantly, what you can actually do about it. Stay right there. What is up, everyone, and welcome to My Forever Gem, the channel where we give you the real story, the full picture, and never waste a single second of your time. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button right now and join the Gem family. Now, let us get into this, because this is the most important career conversation of 2026. Let us start with the reality of what AI can actually do right now in 2026. Artificial intelligence in its current form, specifically the large language models and the automation tools built on top of them, can write professional documents. It can analyze data and produce reports. It can write and review code. It can answer customer service queries. It can create marketing content, social media posts, and advertising copy. It can conduct basic legal research. It can read and summarize medical imaging in certain contexts. It can transcribe, translate, and edit audio and video content. These are not experimental capabilities. These are things that AI tools are doing right now, commercially, in businesses across the world. And they are doing them at a speed and a cost that is dramatically lower than human equivalents. According to research published by Goldman Sachs, one of the world's largest financial institutions, approximately 300 million jobs globally could be exposed to automation by AI over the next decade. The World Economic Forum has estimated that AI will displace around 85 million jobs by 2025, while creating around 97 million new ones. The net number sounds positive, but the critical word is transition. The jobs being created are not the same jobs being lost, and the people in the jobs being lost are not automatically going to fill the jobs being created without significant retraining and support. So, which specific jobs are most at risk? The jobs most vulnerable to AI replacement share specific characteristics. They involve processing and analyzing information. They follow predictable patterns. They can be broken down into repeatable steps. They do not fundamentally require physical presence or complex human emotional intelligence. Data entry and processing, already being replaced at scale by automated systems. Customer service, chatbots, and AI assistants are now handling the majority of first-line customer interactions for many major companies. Basic legal work, document review, contract analysis, legal research. Law firms are already using AI tools that can review thousands of documents in the time it would take a junior lawyer to review dozens. Accounting and bookkeeping, basic financial record keeping, and tax preparation are already being significantly automated. Content writing and copywriting. AI can now produce serviceable marketing copy, product descriptions, and basic journalistic content at a fraction of the human cost. Radiologists and medical imaging specialists. AI diagnostic tools are now matching or exceeding human accuracy in reading certain types of medical scans. Transportation. Self-driving technology is still developing, but the long-term trajectory for truck drivers, delivery drivers, and taxi drivers is genuinely uncertain. Now, let us talk about what is actually safe. Jobs that require genuine human connection. Therapists, counselors, social workers. AI can provide information. It cannot provide authentic human empathy in the way that a skilled human professional can. Jobs that require complex physical manipulation in unpredictable environments. Plumbers, electricians, construction workers. Robotics is advancing, but the physical world is still enormously complex for machines to navigate reliably. Jobs that require genuine creative leadership and strategic vision. The AI can generate options. The human decides which ones are worth pursuing and why. Jobs that require trust, accountability, and genuine relationship. Senior leadership, professional services at the highest level. Roles where the human relationship itself is the value. And jobs that work with AI rather than competing against it. The people who know how to use these tools, who can direct them, interpret their outputs, identify their errors, and apply their results to real-world problems, are not being replaced. They are becoming more valuable. Hey, if this is making you think about your own career, that is exactly the point. Hit that like button right now and subscribe to My Forever Gem. We cover the stories that actually affect your life and your future. Drop a comment and tell me, what is your job, and are you worried about AI? Now, back to what you can actually do about it. The most important thing to understand about the AI job displacement story is this. It is not a sudden cliff. It is a slope. Jobs do not disappear overnight. They change. They shrink. The number of people needed to do them reduces. The skills required shift. And over a 5 to 10-year period, the cumulative effect of those changes becomes genuinely significant. The people who will be most affected are those who see the change coming and do nothing about it. The people who will be best positioned are those who start adapting now, before the change reaches the specific role they are in. What does adapting look like in practical terms? First, learn how to use AI tools in your current job. Do not resist them. Become the person in your organization who uses them best. That makes you more valuable, not less. Second, develop the skills that AI cannot replicate easily. Complex judgment, emotional intelligence, creative leadership, strategic thinking. The ability to work with ambiguous, complex human situations that do not reduce to data. Third, consider the sectors that are growing because of AI rather than shrinking. AI development, AI governance, data analysis and interpretation, healthcare technology, education technology. These are fields that will need more human talent, not less, over the next decade. Fourth, stay informed. The AI landscape is changing faster than any technology in history. What is true today may not be true in 12 months. The people who keep learning will always have more options than the people who stop. The honest bottom line.
AI is going to change the job market more dramatically and more quickly than most people currently understand. The jobs at risk are not just the manual, repetitive ones. They include professional roles that have historically been considered safe because they required intelligence. But this is not a story that ends with humans being replaced. It is a story about the skills and the roles that humans bring to a world where AI handles an increasing share of the information processing work. The people who treat this as a threat are going to be on the wrong side of the shift. The people who treat it as an opportunity to build skills that matter, to position themselves for a world that looks different from today, are going to be exactly where they need to be. The question is, which one are you going to be? And that is a wrap on today's video. The AI job revolution is the most important career story of the next 5 years, and we are going to keep covering it as it develops. Drop your job in the comments and tell me, are you worried? Have you already started using AI in your work? Hit that like button, subscribe to my Forever Gem, and turn on notifications. See you in the next one. Stay blessed, stay curious, and as always, stay a gem.